update on the property across the street. They got some pilings in. I thought that's what that flag was. The United States Marine Corps. Hey folks, it's Trish. I'm at Dunkin' Donuts, place I haven't been to in a while. And got some news for you. Well, today I got measured for my lens. My little lens for my eye. And I am having my surgery September 25th. So, won't be interrupting my schedule of the beach or anything. It'll just, and we'll be well, school will be, starting and people will be back in the routine. So, I'll probably lose a week there, and hopefully all will turn out well. Alright guys, I have my blueberry muffin and my medium coffee, and I hope everybody has an excellent day. Here at Point Bikes, and this is their security guard. What is that thing?
Gargoyle.
A gargoyle, that's right. So, yeah, I might leave. Yeah, that one like this. I don't know why one disintegrated faster than the other one, but
I don't know.
A victim of the elements, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
So how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good. Yeah, my tires might need a little air too. And I guess the chain needs a little oil?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Needs a tune-up, in other words.
It's not bad shape.
Yeah, I got that in October. So, wow. It is humid out. Of course, then again, it's summer, right? Before you know it, we'll be complaining about how darn cold it is. Alright guys, I got some new hand grips. Some air in my tire. And they lubed up my chain. So I'm good for another 2,000 miles. Later, and now I'm gonna get some pizza. Guess where? Pudgy's Pizza. Oh, you can't see the sign from here, but yeah, Pudgy's Point Pizza. Get myself 2 slices of pizza and a Pepsi. How's that look? Does that look freaking delicious? That looks freaking delicious. Bon appetit, people. Bon appetit. And there you have it, guys. Point Pizza by Pudgy's. Some of the best pizza this side of the bridge. Hello again, my friends. It's Trish, the Point Blank Sweat Bomb here. Got a 2-pack of cartridges for my printer, thanks to Walgreens. And I'm set and ready to go with that stuff. And it's been a good day. Shout outs to all my some of my viewers that live around the corner from me. I'm surprised. I did stop and interview them, but I was so hot and sweaty, man. Thank God I got showering. You know, I was thinking of that. I should have gotten an interview, but you know, I was hot and sweaty, and but I got a shower still and all. Not very presentable for an interview. Clean sweat or not, it's just but I'll catch them one day. They have this cool kind of like a bike version of a what do they call it, trolley. It was pretty cool. I gotta get a picture of it one day. Oh gosh. Anyway, and a special shout out to Walgreens. Thank you very much. I'm glad you had these. And shout outs to Pudgy's Point Pizza, or Pizza by Point Pizza by Pudgy's, however you say it. Also a shout out to Dunkin' Donuts and Point Bikes, and where else did I go? I know I went somewhere else. I think that was it. But anyway, thank you everybody for tuning in. This is Trish signing off, saying peace, love, and keep the good tunes spinning. I hope everybody has a great week, and I love and appreciate you all. Be good to yourselves and be good to one another. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. All right, guys? I'll talk to you again soon. Hopefully the next episode will be an episode of It's All About the Music.